Wild babies. Let's learn how wild animals' babies are called. A baby lion is called a cub. A baby elephant is called a calf. A baby giraffe is called a calf. A baby monkey is called an infant. A baby crocodile is called a hatchling. A baby gorilla is called an infant. A baby zebra is called a foal. A baby tiger is called a cub. A baby rhinoceros is called a calf. A baby bear is called a cub. A baby wolf is called a pup. A baby hippopotamus is called a calf. A baby snake is called a snakelet. A baby alligator is called a hatchling.